All right, so if you're doing a wheel hub bearing assembly on a 2010 Rogue or anyone in that same generation, and you just can't seem to get one of the sockets you have in there, go ahead and break loose from your strut, your outer tie rod over there. Let the CV axle come on out, and then go for it. And just so you know, there's the 3 bolts there, but there's also one more right here in the shadow space. But make them real easy to get to instead of sitting there fighting with this being in the way for an hour and a half. Just take a couple more things apart pretty quick. Save you a lot of time.